Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. And today I will share to you my daily activity. But I'm so starving right now. So let's come with me and join with me to cook some food. Mm, what? What food? Ah, I know. We will cook fried noodle. Okay? Let's join us. Before we start cooking, we need some ingredients and that must be prepared. The first one is oyster sauce, English ketchup, tomato sauce, onion, fine garlic, 2 eggs, some flavor, ketchup, noodles, salt, ladaku, scallion, and celery, and don't forget to cooking oil. So let's start. The first step to do is to boil the noodles. But before that, we have to turn on the fire. After that, add water and this. It's optional if you want to cook. Okay. While you boil the noodles, you need to chop the onion. After that, you have to chop the scallion and the celery. Before we chop this, we just need to wash. Oh my god, I'm sorry. To wash the scallion and the celery. Okay? Wait. It is the scallion and the celery. And then we have to chop this scallion and the celery. Set aside, and now the scallion. Okay, that's done. Eh, I forget to wash this. That's done. And then the noodles done. And set aside to plate. Heat the wok and add cooking oil a little bit. It's optional. And then add the chopped of onion and then stir well. Fine garlic. It's optional and stir well until the golden brown. Oh, heat a little bit more. And then 8 scallion add scallion and then the celery. If you think the oil is the less oil, you can add a little bit of cooking oil and stir well. The third step is add the egg. Stir done. After that, add the tomato. And then add add the noodles that boil. I forgot. And then oyster sauce. a tomato sauce. Oh my god. So that add the English ketchup. And then stir them until they mix well. And don't forget to add the ketchup. It's optional. Forget to add flavor. It makes them salty, and if you think the noodle was cooked well, you have to turn off the fire. Now we move from the cook into the plate. Oh my god, look at this. And it's done. It's ready to serve. The noodle is ready to serve. And now let's eat the fried noodles. But as Indonesian, you just need to add some rice. Yups. And then don't forget to pray. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah. And thank you so much for watching my video. And goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.